I remember, I think I was out at something, meeting or something in my constituency, and I was literally just in the door. I turned on prime time, and there was Richard Bruton failing to express confidence in the leader of the party as a member of the front bench, and I thought, oh my God, this is pretty serious. And I think I received a phone call, or else I made a phone call. I can't remember that bit vividly. And I talked to my friend Leo, and we both sort of said, oh my God, what's happening? And nobody had heard from Richard Bruton, and went on for another 24 hours and still nobody had heard from Richard Bruton, so nobody really knew what he was up to or what he was at. It was pretty catastrophic, frankly, you know.
As heaves go.
Yeah, I mean, because it wasn't planned, and because I suppose there was nobody in charge, and you know, the vast majority of the front bench were on the side of Richard, but yet they couldn't mobilise the parliamentary party. It's funny, the senators actually saved Enda Kenny. It was the vast majority of senators voted for Enda Kenny, and then he tried to get rid of the Seanad.
Yeah.